fourth year of a school, there were 156 students who took both mathematics and science. They all passed at least one subject, and 75 passed both subjects. If twice as many passed science as passed mathematics, find how many passed in mathematics only.
6 students. That 156 there is the number of students in the school as at that year, which you can consider to be our universal set. Then if you proceed, you will see that they said they all passed each subject. That means everybody in this 156 exam, and none of them failed. And then at least one passed the subject, and then 75 passed both subjects. That means let's use M to represent math, and then we are going to use S to represent science. And 75 students passed both mathematics and science based on the question. So we have a number of people that passed mathematics and science. This is an intersection sign in set, and science is equal to what? 75. I am taking note of this so it will enable me to draw my Venn diagram accurately. And then they made a statement that if twice as passed science passed mathematics, if twice as many passed science as passed what? Mathematics. That means if the number of people that pass mathematics number of people who passed math is equal to X, the number that passed science will be equal to 2X based on the question. And with this, we can be able to draw our Venn diagram in order to illustrate what we've just written here. Then we have two sets here. Circles are used to represent sets in Venn diagram. When representing sets, we use what? Circles. Now I will call this one set M, and I can see here that M and X has an intersection. That is why I will draw it this way. Here it talks about the intersection between M and X, set M and set S. This intersection means that the people that is in M and also in what? X. So I'll proceed and say they said here the number of people who passed M and S together is 75. Then I can write 75 here. And the number of people that passed mathematics, we don't know the number of people that passed mathematics, but we know that everybody within this circle passed what? Mathematics. Everybody in this circle passed what? Mathematics. While everybody in this other circle passed what? Science. Remember, our question says we should find how many people passed mathematics only. So I'm going to write here the number of people who passed something here plus here. Whatever is here plus here. Let me call what is here Y, and call what is here Z. That means the number of people that passed maths is equal to Y plus 75. While the number of people that passed science is equal to Z plus 75 is equal to number of people that passed science. Okay, and we have the number of people that pass math is equal to x. That means number of people that pass math is equal to y plus 75. And for the number of people that passed math only is this. If you look at this Venn diagram here, you see that y contains everything here, and this place is for the people that passed mathematics only. Why this place is for people that pass mathematics and science. So if I want to get the people that pass mathematics only, I will have to do what? I will have to make y, which is for mathematics only, the subject of the formula, and it will be giving me, if I take this over to this side, that will be having x minus 75 to be equal to what? Y. So the number of people that pass mathematics only is x minus 75. We do the same for here. The number of people that pass science only will be equal to z, which is z here. Z. Okay, the number of people that pass science is 2x. So the whole of everybody here that pass science is what? 2x. So I'll be having z plus 75 is equal to 2x. For science only, I'll be having z is equal to 2x minus 75. And I'll be putting them inside there in place of y. I'll have x minus 75. I'll be having that, okay, z here, z, which is for people that studied only science, will equal to 2x minus 75. I hope you're following me. And then from the information we have, everybody in the school, and you know that everybody in that school, all the students in the school studied at least one subject. That means everybody is in this what set. Everybody in this universal set is contained right inside the set, because the universal set can be said to be a superset of M and S. Are you with me? Alright, so I can now say that the total of x minus 7x plus 75. The total of x minus 75 plus 75 plus 2x minus 75 will be equal to 156. The total of the set M, people that studied M only and people that studied both subjects, and people that passed both subjects and people that passed science alone, will give me the total number of students in the class or in the school, so which is 156. What we do here is to solve like terms, collect like terms, and then get the value of what? X. Watch what I do now. This is minus 75 and this is plus 75. Minus 75 plus 75 gives us what? 0. So I will be left with x plus 2x minus 75 equals 156. X plus 2x gives me 3x. Collecting like terms, I bring 75 over to the other side. I will be having equals 156 plus 75. Okay, 3x equals 156 plus 75. So I will now have up here, bear with me. I will now have up here that 3x is equal to 156 plus 75. So I will now say 3x is equal to 156 plus 75. 156 plus 75, I'll say 6 plus 5 gives me 11, and 5 plus 7 gives me 12 plus 1, 13. This gives me 231. So my result here is 231 if I add 156 plus 75. here I will now have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x here is what? 3. So I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is positive 3. I will have 3 here, 3 here. So if I cancel here 3, I have 1. 3 into 2 cannot go, I have 0. 3 into 23 gives me 7, remainder 2. So if I put the 2 here, I'll be having 21. So 3 into 21 gives me what? 7 again. And then I'll be having that the value for x is equal to what? 77. Remember, the question did not say we should find the value of x, but the question says we should find the value of the number of students that took mathematics, that passed mathematics only. And the number of students that passed mathematics only is y, which is equal to x minus 75. Take note, they did say we should find the number of students that passed mathematics, but mathematics only. So I'll be having that y is equal to x minus 75. Then y, which is the number of students that pass mathematics only, will be equal to 77 minus 75, which is equal to 7 minus 5 gives me 2. 7 minus 7 gives me 0. So I'll be having this 2 as my what? My answer. Therefore, the number of students that passed